and there's lightning going off everywhere, and like, I'm just, it was terrifying. But it's like, it's way more terrifying because like an actual flash flood might like just kill you.
Alright, now ladies, we are about to do a photo shoot. Just finished getting ready. What? Oh, hi little kitten. Hi little boy.
You be good, Kay?
So what stool should I get for this? Should I get the green thing? Today we're gonna attempt Levitation photography edits and some other fun stuff because it just stormed. Baby, did you find anything? Alright, well, we got our kitchen stool. That should do the trick. Oh my gosh, he actually wanted to come out this time. He hates the outside. He followed me like almost directly out the door.
Hi. Oh, hello. Hi, buddy. It's okay, we're not leaving for long. We'll be back.
I'm wearing a robe because it's cold, and underneath I'm only wearing a dress. So, kind of trying not to freeze my ass off.
Oh, the Ursies are out.
They're talking to each other. See? They're socializing.
How cute. Yes, indeed, our neighbors are horses. And also a few deer. You here and there. We're scouting our second waterfall location right now. This one's gorgeous. And it actually goes really far up. As well as really far down. Daniel's already adventuring. It started to mist, so I came inside the car because I didn't want my camera to get wet. Although I did buy 2 rain protecting covers specifically for this, so we do have that if we need to, if the mist doesn't go away. But Daniel's trying to set up, can't see because all the mist, but he's trying to set up a little bit of a location right now for me so I can stay in the car. I don't really want to stand.
Okay.
Yeah, either way we do this, it's going to be sketchy. Do you think the rain's coming back?
It's like misty.
That's why I was thinking you can just use the protective cover. Which lens are you using?
18 to 35. Problem.
What?
Tripod. Am I gonna get it on the
You can get it in the tripod. Isn't that what the bottom? This is the bottom.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, I was holding it sideways.
You can still have a tripod on.
Oh, for sure.
Are you gonna try it on?
Try it on. Put it on.
Started to rain. The very last little bit of that photo shoot, it started. Oh yeah, of course. Here's our wet camera bag with the camera inside. Yeah, it was awesome. I definitely got an ab workout. I was really doing those crunches. Oh, intense. I'm definitely gonna have abs by the end of right now. You all right?
No.
What happened?
I stabbed myself with the tripod.
Oh, the tripod's evil. I'm all cozy now though. Oh, that was so much fun. I can't wait to see what Daniel shot. I'm gonna get this camera out of the camera bag to take a look. Oh, for only trying that, what, like maybe 5 times? We only tried it 5 times. I was getting soaked, so we had to stop. My feet are freezing right now.
Warm them up.
But hey, we got a couple good shots.
I think it'll be good.
I think it's gonna be great. I'm really excited to edit it. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be levitating. Yeah, we cannot get out of our house today, which is kind of crazy. The water after the storm flooded one of the creek crossings just a little too much. Luckily for us, we have one creek crossing with a bridge, but the other one, it's kind of just up to the elements whether or not we cross that day.
We can't get out. We're trapped until the creek goes down. You know, just another day out here at the ranch. It was raining all night, right? And I was kind of worried about the creek getting too high or the roads being just super jacked up and like trees being down in the road and stuff. I went down at, was it like 5 a.m.?
Yeah.
I went down at like 5 a.m. with Sydney. She was in my car. I was using my mom's car because they're 4-wheel drive, kind of need it for these roads. And I was going down with her just to make sure it was all good and that the creek would be crossable and everything. Turns out, the second that we left, a thunderstorm was starting. So, yeah, that was cool. We're coming down the road and it starts raining so hard, you can't even see like 10 feet in front of you. And there's lightning going off everywhere and like, I'm just, it was terrifying.
It is terrifying.
Really scary.
And Daniel was just saying off camera how it felt like a dream. It didn't even feel like it happened. That's how surreal.
Yeah, it's like those scenes in the movies where it's like you're in a forest and there's a thunderstorm, but it's like it's way more terrifying because like an actual flash flood might like just kill you. Yeah, that and like almost getting struck by lightning was just kind of not my cup of tea. We were coming down the road and I decided to turn around because it was just raining so hard that it was freaking me out. There's the lightning and everything, so.
And then we came up on trees in the road.
There's like a giant tree in the road, so I was just like, oh well, time to turn around. Because I am not getting out of my car to go move this tree when we're like the only metal boxes within miles of civilization. So it's like, I feel like we're kind of lightning prone, but
Yeah.
It was going off right over us too, so it was scary.